So today we will convert a simple XML into a JSON format. I have opened the DataWeave playground and all the things you see here are by default. So first thing I will do is to change the input type from JSON to XML. And now I will delete all this which was previously present over here. I will do this simple payload. And now I am ready to write my XML. So I am just creating a student with first name Max and last name Mule. Will add a country as USA and I will close this student. So now you can see on this right hand side that this XML is converted into this JSON, wherein student is the parent which has three key value pairs. Okay, so if you want to access student, basically, so you have to write student dot first name, will give you Max. If you want to access last name, you can access, it will give you Mule. If you want to access the country, you can do it like this, so it will give you USA. So this is how we basically convert a simple XML into JSON. There is one thing you need to remember is if you create two students, it will not work because your one XML has need to have only one parent. So if I put it like classroom object and I will close it, then it will work. Okay, now again accessing these things will be difficult. Okay, so student 1 is there, student 1 I have done, then student 2, student 2 I have closed. So now it will work. So if I want to access, I will change the name also over here. So if I want to access Max, I will access it classroom dot student 1 dot first name. So I will get Max. I want to access John, classroom student 2 first name. I will get John. Thanks for watching. Hope you understood this.